Hey guys, hello. And welcome to the Trickstrick YouTube channel. You're here with our new video. As you know, that's about watching Star Wars on Windows command line. In order to view Star Wars movie, you will need to have an internet connection. At first, you should install Telnet. So open the control panel. To do this, hit the Start button on the keyboard and tap on its name. Select the program's category from the rest of settings. Go to the Turn Windows Features On or Off part. If prompted, enter an admin password. Or confirm that you want to proceed if you already have admin access. Then a dialog box will appear. Check the Telnet client in New Window. And OK it. Just wait for several minutes because the installation is making change to features. In the second step, run command prompt by searching cmd word on Start menu. Click for opening. Now, type Telnet Towel.blinkenlights.nl phrase and press enter. I'll put following command on description. This connects you to the host and launches the film after some initial credits in ASCII characters. Awesome, right? Subscribe, like and comment. Share it with your friends if you enjoyed. Goodbye until the next video.